Crammed into their shanty hut, Mohammed Jakir, his wife and 11 children sit in despair. It has been over 2 months since Donald Trump was re-elected as US president, and Jakir's family has felt the effects. They live in the world's largest refugee camp located in Bangladesh's southeastern seaside, Cox's Bazar. The US has been the largest provider of aid to the Rohingya refugees, contributing nearly $2.4 billion since 2017, according to a State Department website. But Trump announced in February a dramatic cut of over 90% to US aid, which provided global funding for humanitarian relief efforts. With formal work not allowed in the camps for refugees, Jakir says there's little option besides aid to provide for his family.
We have been living here since 2017, for the last 8 years. America recognized us for all these years. But since Joe Biden is gone and Donald Trump stood up, he wants to make us strangers. If that's the case, then where will we go? We want their support back. How will we survive? How will our kids get an education? Please find us a way.
About 70,000 people from Rakhine State have crossed into Bangladesh this year, according to a Bangladesh official, partly due to hunger. Food, healthcare and education in the Rohingya refugee camps have been significantly affected by the recent cuts. This has triggered immediate concerns over food rations, which not only threaten nutritional intake but also endanger access to rice for refugees, according to aid organizations. Masura Khatun, a Rohingya refugee and mother of 6, says her family already don't have enough rice in their diet, and cuts would be harmful. The UN World Food Programme said unless they receive $15 million, they will need to halve the food ration in April. An official from the programme, Muhyiddin Mohi, told Reuters that the revised ration of $6 a month isn't enough and rice supply will go down. When a 2023 round of ration cuts reduced the amount to $8, it led to an increase in hunger and malnutrition, according to the UN. The cut was later reversed. Charity-run hospitals and clinics in the camps have also been forced to lay off staff. Many educational centres have been shuttered too. Gul Bahar's 4-year-old daughter suffers from cerebral palsy. She has been undergoing therapy for the past 3 years, which has helped improve her condition, but now her mother is terrified she will go back to square one. David Bugden is from the Rohingya Refugee Responses Inter-Sector Coordination Group, an organisation that oversees NGO operations in Cox's Bazar. He told Reuters that they have already seen disruptions in health services and a lack of funding for essential nutrition.
We need to do all that we can to increase income-generating activities for the refugees within the camps at least, so that they are not entirely dependent on humanitarian assistance.
UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres assured the refugees of his continued support during a visit to the camps earlier this month. However, he warned that cuts from the US and other major donors would worsen already dire conditions. Bangladesh's foreign ministry and the US embassy did not respond to a Reuters request for comment.